Hi everyone, I'm Zhen Yu. Today, I'll be trying to prove Hamilton's law of pressure temperature, which states that the pressure of a gas of a fixed volume and fixed mass is directly proportional to the gas absolute temperature. To prove this, I'll be demonstrating a simple physics demonstration. Firstly, I will need straw, plasticine, two transparent plastic cups with water in it that is mixed with food coloring, two glass bottles. One of them has hot water and the other one has cold water, and a pail. So firstly, I will need to pour out the boiling water and the cold water out first. Now, I have to quickly insert the straw with the plasticine on it and make sure it is covered, fully covered. Now, I will invert it and submerge it into the water. Watch what happens. In the center of the hot glass bottle, when the water is sucked out, this means that the force exerted on the outside is greater than inside. As a result, a resultant force is produced, causing the water molecules to enter the glass bottle so that equilibrium of pressure can be reached. Hence, this proves the law, as the reason for such happening is that when the hot water is inside the bottle, the pressure inside is increased. The air is then pushed out in order to make atmospheric pressure. When I place the bottle inside the tap water, the air cools as the water temperature is cooler, and hence the pressure decreases. As a result, the atmospheric pressure outside is greater than the decreased pressure inside, and hence this causes a difference in force and resulting in a resultant force that pushes the water into the glass bottle. On the contrary, in the center of the cold glass bottle, when a bubble appeared, this means that the force exerted on the inside is greater than the outside. As a result, the resultant force is produced, causing the air molecules to exit the glass bottle, so the equilibrium of pressure can be reached. Hence, this also proves the law, as the reason for such happening is that when cold water is inside the bottle, the pressure inside decreases, and hence the air from the surrounding enters inside to meet the atmospheric pressure. As a result, the air inside gains heat as the air inside comes into contact with the hotter water, and hence the pressure of the air increases. As a result, the atmospheric pressure outside is lower than the increased pressure inside the bottle. This creates a difference in forces as well, and results in a resultant force that pushes the air inside the bottle out, and hence forming bubbles, resulting in effervescence. Therefore, I'm able to show Hamilton's law of pressure temperature, which states that if a gas temperature increases, and so does its pressure, if the mass and volume remains constant, and vice versa. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.